Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wuri Ratna Hidayani from Stikes Respati in Tasikmalaya. I would like to presentation my journal by title Analysis of Knowledge of Senior High School to Singaparna Student about epidemiology of sexual transmitted infection and lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender in 2019. In 2012, there were 357 million cases of sexually transmitted infection in the world. In Indonesia, in 2016, as many as 61,000 cases. West Java was the highest rank of STY in 2012. In 2016, the highest prevalence of STY was gonorrhea 3,430 cases. Several independent surveys state that Indonesia has 3% of LGBT of population or around 7.5 million people with LGBT of 250 million people in Indonesia. Preliminary study in December 2018 counseling guidance teacher states that most of the knowledge of high school students did not yet understand the epidemiology of sexually transmitted infection and LGBT. It is feared that students do not know the preventive risk of transmitting sexually transmitted infection and LGBT behavior. Method. The population in this study were all students of senior high school to Singaparna in the 2018 or 2019 school year. The sample of this study was students of class 12 by purposive sampling totaling 29 high school kids in January 2019. Data collection using questionnaires and in-depth interview when the study was conducted on the data. Based of research in senior high school to Singaparna, data analysis was carried out from information that was obtained at the stage of research data collection from the result of interview and open questionnaires. This analysis used two variables, namely STY epidemiology, STY risk factor, STY classification, and LGBT, which include definition, LGBT sign, impact, and prevention LGBT. Number one, knowledge of STY epidemiology. Knowledge of STY threat epidemiology. Based on the result of the study notes that the number of respondents was 229 students, with a majority of 18-year interview result about the knowledge of epidemiology of sexually transmitted infection. Students from 29 students answered the same as follows. Epidemiology of sexually transmitted infection causes or agent by viruses be people at risk, hosts, or commercial sex worker, sexual deviation in good children, homosexual or MSM, men like men, lesbian, the STY environment is larger by changing partner behavior, injecting drugs by senior high school to Singaparna student. Knowledge of STY risk factor. Student knowledge of STY risk factors based on interview with 29 students. That's the same as follow. Risk factor for sexually transmitted infection or partner changing behavior, drug abuse behavior, such as injecting drugs, sexual deviation, such as sodomy, rape, and sterile blood transfusion or virus contamination by senior high school to Singaparna student. Knowledge of STY classification according to the result of the interview with 29 students. The knowledge of the STY classification state that sexually transmitted infection are HIV or AIDS and uterine cancer. STY classification is HIV or AIDS, syphilis, and gonorrhea by senior high school to Singaparna student. Knowledge of LGBT. Knowledge of LGBT definition. There are students who do not know the meaning of the extension. In addition, there are those who explain about the definition of LGBT only mentioning physiological disorder and sexual orientation disorder. LGBT is a case that is being widely discussed worldwide. LGBT is an extension of lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender. Is a case of sexual deviation that is rife among men and women by senior high school to Singaporean student. Based on the result of interview with students said that LGBT is a definition that violates norm and religion. According to student statement, it has been mentioned in detail the length of LGBT and the meaning of the term LGBT according to the following information. LGBT is defiant behavior that violates religious norm. Lesbian is a lover of the same sex, namely woman like woman. Gay is man who likes the same sex between men and men can. Bisexual is a lover of all tattoos, so likes both between men and women. Transgender is someone who change genitals such as woman into men. By by senior high school choosing a partner student. Knowledge of the causes, impact, and prevention of LGBT. Prevention by good religious education so that as a foundation of deviation and sexual orientation interview can be seen, that's the causes of LGBT are as follows. There are so many causes of LGBT, not only a matter of lack of faith, but because of education and the surrounding environment. Not a few LGBT also occur because of the concern for someone and dissatisfaction with the nature and should be. The impact of LGBT on the surrounding environment that is contagious. LGBT can damage the nation's future impact on oneself that can be alienated by his friend or become the material for bullying. LGBT can be prevented by several things, including deepening the fight and pity, deepening knowledge about LGBT, knowing the impact of LGBT. By senior high school, choosing a partner student. Prevention is the right parenting and increased faith according to the following information. The cause of LGBT is the association that causes LGBT poor socialization of the community, lost parental supervision, environment, lack of confidence. The impact of LGBT among other causes the large number of LGBT communities undermining the moral of the nation, can destroy the present and future generation. Prevention of LGBT, among other faith and must always be instilling early on. Parent educate a child by instilling Islamic Sharia. Parent educate their children according to the shape of the child that that is from the game or by educating help on boys. Parents must instill good moral from an early age. Love, unfortunately, from childhood is the base of the success of children in the future. Parental supervision must be observant of the child behavior or if there is a change in behavior in children. The senior high school choosing a partner student. Discussion. Based on the research result of 29 students, it can be seen that the student knowledge about STY epidemiology is still limited on a little is known about STY epidemiology from the agent aspect, only fixation of HIV or AIDS which is transmitted by viruses. Apart from environmental factor, most respondents answered only at risky sexual behavior. According to the research of below 2020, state the knowledge about STYs is very important because the data of knowledge in the community, including the age group 15 to 29 year, as a basis for information in intervention to control the prevalence of STY by means of preventive promoting effort to increase knowledge. For example, by promoting the health of STY epidemiology, increasing the role of teacher in motivating students, especially guidance counseling teacher, to continue to socialize the importance of student in understanding of about LGBT. The role of homeroom teacher and subject teachers, as well as to participate in socializing about the danger of LGBT. The role of a religious teacher also continues to be improved to guide students in increasing faith and pity so as to provide a firm foundation with a strong religious provision. The principal policy is also very important to create a religious school for the inculcation of religious value for students so that students are not easily influenced by distorted thinking that's drag on behavior that's violates the norm. This is consistent with the research of Haas et al. 2011 on studies of suicide risk factor caused by LGBT states in the United States. That's based on a survey of 34 respondents living in various countries. People who engage in same-sex marriage have the potential to experience an anxiety mental disorder trigger for suicides compared to heterosexual couples. Conclusion. The knowledge by senior high school to Singaporean student of STY epidemiology, namely student only know the STY disease agent which is a virus where STY agent vary including virus, bacteria, parasite, fungi, risk factor that's are known to student or behavior, sexual deviation and blood transfusion without screening. The STY's classification that student now only mention the STY classification as HIV or AIDS Only one person mentioned HIV or AIDS, uterine cancer, syphilis, and gonorrhea. The knowledge of senior high school to Singaporean students about the danger of LGBT, namely the majority mentioning the length of LGBT without knowing the meaning of the term from LGBT. Student knowledge of the causes only mention wrong pattern of care, lack of faith association, even though there are still many factors causing LGBT. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.